In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a helpful tool for enhancing your online store, the acclaimed Fera product reviews app in your Shopify store. If you're ready to boost your shop's credibility and customer engagement, you're in the right place. It's an easy process that will allow shoppers to see trustworthy reviews that can influence their buying decisions. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your preferred browser and navigate to Shopify. If you're not already logged in, take a moment to do so using your credentials. Once you've entered your Shopify dashboard, you're opening the door to a variety of apps and integrations that can greatly enhance your business operations. Next, direct your attention toward the Shopify App Store. This is your treasure chest of possibilities, offering a plethora of tools designed to cater to any specific needs of your store. In the search bar within the App Store, type Fera and hit Enter. You'll be looking for Fera Product Reviews, which is a leading app in the reviews space. What makes this app particularly useful is its ability to seamlessly integrate with your store, providing you with a professional way to showcase customer feedback. Positive reviews are incredibly valuable, often tipping the scales when potential customers are on the fence about a purchase. Now, once you've located the app in your search results, click on it to open the detailed app page. Here you'll find a description of its features, user reviews, and other vital information that will give you a solid understanding of what this app can do for you and your business. To proceed, you'll want to go ahead and click Install. Don't worry, Shopify makes this process straightforward and user-friendly, guiding you through any permissions or access grants the app might require. Remember, installing this kind of app will enhance your store's professionalism and boost customer confidence. Once the installation is complete, you can use the app to customize how you want reviews and customer feedback to be displayed on your store pages. It's worthwhile to explore some of the customization options they offer, allowing you to maintain brand aesthetics while incorporating these new review features. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully integrated Fera product reviews into your Shopify store. By doing this, you've taken an important step toward establishing trust with your customers, encouraging them to share their experiences, and ultimately driving more conversions. Remember that this enhanced feature will not only benefit your online presence by offering social proof, but also foster a community of satisfied customers willing to share their thoughts. So, as always, if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.